Today, we are going to discuss this question from 2012 SMO Open section. You are asked to find all integer n such that n squared plus n plus 1 divides n to the power of 2013 plus 61. This question involves a few algebraic manipulation. You may have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now there are two key ideas here. That is, number one, n cubed minus 1 can be written as n minus 1, n squared plus n plus 1. And number two, 2013 is actually equals to 3 times 671, which means that 2013 is a multiple of 3. These are the key important ideas. From the first one, we will know that n squared plus n plus 1 divides n power 3 minus 1. And using the second idea, we can write n to the power of 2013 plus 61 as n to the power of 2013 minus 1 plus 62. And since 2013 is a multiple of 3, so we can treat this as n 671 power 3 minus 1 plus 62. So with these two ideas, we know that if n squared plus n plus 1 divides n 2013 plus 61, it will mean that n squared plus n plus 1 divides 62. Because if this is true, and using the first idea, n squared plus n plus 1 divides n cubed minus 1, so you divide this term, and therefore it must divide 62. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Note that 32 is equal to 2 times 31. So if n squared plus n plus 1 divide 32, there are few cases that we need to consider. That is, n squared plus n plus 1 equals to 1, n squared plus n plus 1 equals to 2, n squared plus n plus 1 equals to 31, and n squared plus n plus 1 equals to 62. And obviously, for the first one, n squared plus n equals to 0, n equals to 0 or negative 1. For number 2, n squared plus n plus 1 equals to 0, there are no integer solution. So no integer solution. Number 3, n squared plus n plus 1 equals to 31, means n squared plus n minus 30 equals to 0. We know that n minus 5, n plus 6 equals to 0. So n equals to 5 or negative 6. And lastly, n squared plus n minus 61 equals to 0. Also, no integer solution. So to conclude, that the integer n such that n squared plus n plus 1 divide n to the power of 2013 plus 61 are 0, negative 1, 5, and also negative 6. So these are the 4 answers for this question. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.